it's Peter here from ScreenProtector. Guys, if you have seen the change of the name, it's because, I'm saying my name anyway on the videos, and Inte.Team is the business behind the ScreenProtector. ScreenProtector is just the YouTube channel run by me. In the future, Inte.Team will have its own YouTube channel, and I will have my own still. So anyways, in this episode we've got a PS5, which I started on the live yesterday, and it's time to finish it and see if it will work. The problem with that PS5 was that the customer came and said that the HDMI is faulty. Okay, so probably customer knew about some physical damage done at their place or somewhere where it belongs to someone, yes. And I did check on the live and I was able to verify. Let me plug in the another customer's call. Hold on a sec. So a gaming PC inquiry. But let's continue where we stopped. So I'll connect. I'll connect microscope. And let us switch to the scope now. I'll change colors. Okay, let us go to the port here. So all the paths were okay when I was checking them, apart from two on the right hand side. The 19th was okay, but the 18th and 16, 18, yeah, and 17 were loose. So this was stiff, yeah. But this, let me just. Yeah, this is moving, and this one was moving as well, as you can see. The rest was fine. So yeah, I need to desolder the culprit, actually two culprits, and I'll prepare a soldering station and I'll be right back, yeah? So I'll be back in a jiffy. There should be no other fault with this, so hopefully I'll assemble it, we will test it, and that will work fine. Okay, let's start it. I placed only on 250, I don't know if you can see it, degrees. Okay, that's clean. And we just need a small, tiny touch of this, like literally. If I get too much, automatically I'll have a problem. Let us switch to the scope. Back again. And let's correct the factory. Come on, I don't see. I don't want to tell too much. That's why I'm taking my time with it. To be true, soldering a new port and sometimes doing such thing is really similar amount of time if you've got practice. So it's more of a, like what's better for the customer. Okay, I'm increasing the temp. I went for 400 degrees right now. Well, doing it. And now I need to do to not damage that capacitor, because I'll have to solder it, yeah? I've got new ones as well. Okay. Not trusting them too much, so let's do the second time. Okay, I'll lower the temp to the minimum, absolute minimum. For the iron. Cool, and let's poke it and see if it's stiff and stable or need further adjustment. Okay, I'll get something to poke it and let's see if it's fixed or it's not fixed. Okay, wrong angle. This angle. Let's check from this one. Even. Moving, not moving. Moving, not moving. Moving, not moving. Moving, not moving. And this is moving, guys. I'm taking it as moving. So actually I was wrong. The last as well. I'll correct it. I'll check all of them. Last time. Stable. Oh. The tiny move was on the last one, which is a surprise for me because I've checked yesterday and I thought I've checked it right. And the readings were fine as well on them, so I'm quite curious why. Yeah, this last one is still needing a retouch. Okay, let me clean the tip and let me increase the stamp a bit. Let us get. Okay, that should be okay. That's just a tiny amount. Okay, let's see. I'll decrease the temp and let me poke it again. Will it move? For me it's moving still. I'll get more solder and I'll get more flux. Not happy. Okay. Get to 60 so that I switched off the iron. I'll get more. Too much, but it's a last pen, should be okay. Let's melt first this. I think that's me. Should be easy, not that easy as I anticipated. Anyway, is it moving? No. Now I'm happy. Okay, nothing is moving. Guys, I'm ready to clean it and assemble it, so the plan is like that, okay? I'll clean it with isopropyl alcohol a bit, this, and yeah, I'll brush it off and I'm switching off the iron station, and I'll tidy up the liquid metal, and then we can assemble it, because that will be, you know, less time spent and no value for you when I'm doing it. I got lights for use if you want to watch, you know, whole videos, but here it's, you know, no obstacles, so because there's no more obstacles, so why spend time on it? Yeah, so I'll be right back. I just use my meter to check if it's, you know, the connections are not shorted in between each other, and to see if the readings are fine. So I've compared it with my list and I'm happy. So now it's only the time for the liquid metal, correcting those thermal pads a bit, because these thermal pads are needing a bit of correction, and I can assemble it with this. Okay guys, get ready. Liquid metal is assembled back where it belongs, put back where it belongs. Here is okay as well. Once that one is dealt with, we can test it. So in order to test it, we need a clamp. You can skip this part if you don't want to watch. And okay, 2 screws and the clamp, metal clamp. And the screwdriver, pH 0, yes. Ooh. Oh, come on, unscrew. Okay, 1. 2. We don't need to connect these ports, we can connect power button. Can connect LEDs. We don't need a fan. We need HDMI cable from my scope. I can turn off the scope. Okay. And we need a power cable. That's all we need. And switch to the HDMI capture. But let me press the button. You got, and you get blue light. Good. So now let's switch to this scene, if we will have a signal or not. Fingers crossed we will, because I could assemble it and just give it back to the customer. We already see that the recording is for like 13 minutes. It's a blue light and one white light. Yes, processing, very good. So because it's a processing, guys, that's it. I can assemble it back, give it back to the customer. Fingers crossed that was the only issue. We've seen 3 pins. I thought 2 pins, numbers 17 and 18, were faulty. Yes, I mean detached from the place. It's mainly, to be true, it would hold as the rest was holding. I would say it would hold, but the amount of solder they are using, yes, it's as minimum, yeah, as minimum as they can, and it has to be still robust, yes. So press power button again. Okay, and it's putting into the rest mode. That will be an error anyway. That's will be yellow light probably. What I want to say is, if they would use more solder, yes, on especially connectors, then it would be more robust, and many times, you know, this would survive. But because they are doing as minimum as they can, That's what's happening inside. You see yellow light. Yes, somebody wanna know that's a sleep mode. You get value out of this video, so at least you can hit the like button for me if possible. And guys, but that's it in this episode. If possible, thank you for liking. So hope you did. Here's likes to use as well, guys. And yeah, if possible, let's fix them all. As I'm always trying to say. Take care, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.